everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, then I'm Rimi, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then go ahead, hit that subscribe button and also that bell button next to it so that you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial on this look right here. I'm wearing it. I am debating what to call this look. I'm thinking about something, maybe let's call it a peacock makeup look. Recently, I purchased this liquid eyeshadow from Wet n Wild, and I was really inspired by the colors on it. So I wanted to create a makeup look using kind of like this color scheme that eyeshadow had. Purple is my favorite color, and I love peacock feathers. All the colors on a peacock feather are so beautiful, and I absolutely love that. I think the blue and the green and the purple, everything together looks beautiful, and it's glamorous. Great look to wear at a party or just for fun. If you want to just wear glitter, why not? So yeah, that's about it. And if you want to see how I got this look, then keep watching.
I'm going in with the sand color from Morphe 35C palette, and I'm going in with the fluffy crease brush and applying it right on my crease. This will help with the transition between all the other colors, and I'm just lightly blending it. I don't need it to be too intense, as this color would not really show up once I put other colors on. Then I'm taking this light brown color from the same palette, and with the tapered crease brush, I'm applying it more tightly on the crease. Next, I'm taking this purple blue color from the palette. Using the same brush, I'm applying it a little lower on the crease, and I'm blending it lightly towards the inner corner and intensifying the color a little bit more on the outer corner because I want the color to stay more on the outer corner of my eyes. Now I'm taking this shimmery green color from Coastal Scents called Sage Sensation, and using a flat eyeshadow brush, I'm applying the color towards the center of my eyes. Now I'm taking the dark Goldenrod eyeshadow from Coastal Scents, and I'm applying it on top of the green shadow I applied earlier. Then I'm applying this glittery purple eyeshadow from Jordana in the inner corner of my eyes and blending it out with a flat eyeshadow brush. Now I'm taking this bright purple color from the Morphe palette and applying it in the inner corner of my eyes where I put the purple crayon eyeshadow earlier. I'm using a flat eyeshadow brush to pack on the color. Now I'm taking this light green color from the Morphe palette and placing it on top of the shimmery green eyeshadow I put earlier. It was looking a little washed off, so I wanted to intensify the color a little bit more. Now I'm going back to all the colors I placed on earlier to define each color and make sure it looks properly blended. Next, I'm taking this darker blue color from the Morphe palette, and I am deepening the blue on the outer corner of my eye. Now I'm taking this matte black eyeshadow from the palette to deepen the outer corner a little bit more. Now I'm taking this Wet n Wild liquid eyeshadow in color When Stars Align. I went ahead and finished the rest of my face off camera. I put on some false lashes and some eyeliner. My lighting went a little crazy, so my face kind of looked washed out. Now I'm going back to that light brown color and applying it on my lower lash line. Now I'm taking the purple blue and placing it on the outer corner of my lower lash line, and then deepening the color with the darker blue. And then I'm taking the light green color and placing it on the center of my lower lash line. Then I'm taking the purple and placing it on the inner corner of my lower lash line. At this point, I'm just repeating the steps that I followed for my eyelid. Now for my inner corner highlights, I'm taking this Morphe highlighter palette and I'm picking up this golden color and placing it on the inner corners of my eye. Then I'm taking this black pencil eyeliner from Starlooks and I'm waterlining and tightlining with this eyeliner. For my mascara, I'm taking this Loreal Lash Out Butterfly Mascara and applying it on my top and lower lashes.
So here's the finished look. I'm in love with this look. Love that purple glitter in the inner corner. And I love how everything turned out. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this look. And let me know in the comments below what are your thoughts. And if you give this look a try, then send me a picture on Instagram or something. But anyways, thank you for tuning into my channel. And don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Check out the description box below for all the products that I used for this look. And I'll also leave all my social media links down below as well. So check that out. And make sure to follow me on Snapchat and Instagram. So yeah, that's about it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!